They may have different receptors, they may have different mediators, they're going to have different triggers potentially. And that's why it's not uncommon to see patients with migrating sort of symptoms, migratory symptoms that kind of move around the body, or just change from one month or two to another part. You can have multiple mast cells involved, but I think when you start to think about it this way, you start to understand why a patient may not do well with just a one and done type of approach in treatment. Maybe the H1 blockers are dealing with mast cells in one part of the body, and maybe they need a different agent in another part of the body. Okay, so I think that's an important concept. And there are epigenetic factors, and there are mutational factors that affect how mast cells basically work, what mediators they have, what receptors they have. We know that hormonal shifts in estrogen, can change how mast cells act and react in the GU system, like in the uterus, for instance, or the ovary. And we know that the commensal microbiota in the skin, in the gut, also affects. So, and of course, pathologic conditions like infections, like we've been talking about all weekend, sort of further drive mast cell heterogeneity.